Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to correctly install a Birch Logset into a Napoleon Ascent linear premium gas fireplace. The studs within the firebox have letters associated to them for identification. The Birch Logset requires the removal of studs B, C, E, and G. Locate the holes on the bottom of log 1, and place them on studs A and D. The studs line up with the holes on the far left and middle hole on the bottom of the log. Locate the hole on the bottom of log 2, and place it over stud F. Ensure that the extended part of the log is located on the right side of log 1. Place log 5 on the front right side of the media tray, with the split end facing the pilot. Place the charred end of log 7 on top of the right side of log 5, with the opposite end resting on the back right side of the media tray. Place log 4 in the center of the media tray, in front of the pilot light, with the Y end facing log 5. Rest log 8 on top of log 4, and the pilot shield. Place log 3 on the front left side of the media tray, with the branches facing away from the burner, and the thicker end in front of the pilot light, ensuring the pilot is not covered. Place log 6 with the charred end resting on the left side of log 1, and the Y end on log 3. To finalize the media installation, place the supplied charcoal on the media tray, around the logs. Glowing embers, and ambient glow embers, can be used to provide additional aesthetic appeal. Ensure the charcoal and glowing embers do not cover the burner or air intakes, and the ambient glow embers don't come in contact with the pilot. See the video description for all manual, leaflet, and part numbers for this log set. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.